Hello, my name is Suzy, and this is my sign name. I am deaf. Today we are focusing on the word fly. There are several ways to use the word fly. Let me show you. Ready? Here we go. On a snowy mountain dotted with trees, a man wearing an orange jacket and protective gear is riding on a snowboard. The man flies across the sky before landing. Here we see a person using the controls to fly a drone. The drone is able to climb, descend, and hover.
A little boy holds the string to a kite. He watches as the kite flies back and forth.
Outside, on a dark and windy night, I noticed several flag poles in a line. There was a flag flying on each of the poles. The flags were of varying colors and were flying in the wind. In a large field, two children come running fast. They fly across the field as fast as they can.
On the flower sits a butterfly. It spreads its wings and flies away. The father lifts the little girl into the air. She waves her arms as if she is flying, and she laughs. This insect is a fly. Flies have huge compound eyes. This fly is rubbing its legs together.